87 Lincoln Navigator. Customer came in with this one. Works sometimes don't work. So we noticed if you move this entire wheel up and down, see, it doesn't work. It works now. So by moving this up and down, something happened to this switch, so we're just going to replace that switch. This is the replacement we got. First thing you're going to do is to remove that. It just simply unscrews. Remove screws on the bottom side of this. Should be 4 of them underneath. Remove screws here. Make it easier. No. Remove this key knob. There is a tiny hole. You can push pointy things right there.
Oh.
Then it should come out.
Okay.
So you're basically pushing this little bolt right here through the hole, and the whole thing comes out. So you can remove this top cover after that.
Okay. This
These are torque number 20. I'm going to show you a new one. It's basically right there, which is mounted on the side like that. So you're going to remove that, number 20. Simply remove it like that and disconnect the plug.
check if it's rolling. It's like
Turn signal, Jim. Go outside.